Hi everybody. Today we are going to cover the JavaScript this keyword. So before we get into this keyword, I really want to point out let's go over objects and properties and how we understand as the developers like the internal nature of like objects and properties. So here we have an object called aunt Janice, and Janice contains information. And Janice contains information here. So the first key that we have, that what we know about Janice. We know that Janice's first name is, we have the value of Janice. It's the property last name Janice, last name Smith, birthday, birth year in 1999. Family, we have an array of members, right? So uh, these are the keys, the values, what, and we also can set it to true or false as well. So we can set it to strings, we can set it to integers, which we have here, or the blue on value. So in order to do, we can also utilize a function within the object, and the function is a function expression, and the function expression returns some information, some important information. So we would need to store that inside a new key, and in this case we call this key calc, and calc age has been defined by function expression, and within the function expression we have birth year, because because birth year we are going to get a calculation so that we can see what happens in the Google inspector when we console. We would do the console log. So birth year holds the value of 1993. What we can do if we are looking to access the age, we could do use JavaScript this keyword, and we could create a new, when you create a new value, and then we could set it equal to the current year. the the stop birth year, because uh, birth year holds the value of this value within this key, and once we go to Google Inspector, we should be able to see these entire objects with its value because we did a console log. So let's check that up. Let's you spend it. Here we go. So uh, here is our whole entire objects. It's open our object tab, and we have Janice's age of 27. So hopefully that helped you. You just became familiar with this keyword. So the this, it give us direct access to the values that are being stored with the key, uh, with the keys tried out. Thanks.